Hi, this is the first video of my new YouTube channel, Nerd on the Wire. I like to make musical instruments like this one. So this channel is going to be a showcase of some of the projects like this that I've worked on, as well as some tutorials about how you can make your own musical instruments. It's going to be a combination of electronics, programming, music, and kind of everything in between. This first video is going to be a preview of some of the videos that I've got coming up over the next few weeks. You're watching Nerd on the Wire. This is the first video on my new YouTube channel. I'm going to use it to just preview various things that I'm going to be working on over the coming weeks and months. I like to make things, so I've set up this channel so that I've got somewhere to exhibit all the various projects that I've been working on. They tend to involve a mixture of like soldering, programming, and like inexpertly joining bits of wood together. And I just often get to the end of a project and think, oh, I don't know what to do with this now, so I thought it would be cool to have a YouTube channel so that I could kind of showcase these projects. If you're someone who's ever thought about making your own musical instruments, then this channel might be the channel for you, so please hit the subscribe button. One of the first videos I'll be making is of my electronic guitar, which you can see here, which is crucially different from an electric guitar. You'll see why in the video. It took me like several months to build, and so I'd like to make an in-depth video showing how it works, what sort of sounds it's capable of, and how you can make one yourself. I'll also be making a series of videos called weekend builds. So these are going to be where I try and take a project from conception to completion just in a single weekend, which is like an idea that I've completely ripped off lovingly from Adam Savage's One Day Builds. If you've ever seen those, I was trying to do that, but giving myself a whole weekend to do it because that's less ambitious. As part of this series, I'll be attempting to turn like a kid's drum machine into something a bit weirder and more fun. I'll be revisiting some of my older projects and redesigning them over the course of a weekend as well, including this water-based synthesizer, and I'll also be looking at ideas from musicians for instruments or effects that they'd like me to build for them. So that'd be fun. And also, if you've got any ideas for these weekend builds, then just put them in the comments, and yeah, I'd love to hear from you. Finally, I'll be recording a set of videos called Obscure Objects, where I look at some of the weirder pieces of electronic equipment I've collected over the years. For instance, I'm going to do a video about this open source guitar pedal, which I got about 10 years ago. Kind of looks like a normal guitar pedal until you realise it's got a video output, and a sort of phone input and all kinds of weird things, and you also have to write all the effects yourself from scratch. So that would be kind of fun to look at. I've also got this aesthetically bizarre and sonically questionable Yamaha electronic guitar, which is kind of one of the motivations for me making my own guitars. I'm going to have a little look at that as well. If I get desperate for views on YouTube, I might also do a video about the camper van that my partner and I worked on together, because it's got some cool features that I'm quite proud of, and also everyone on the internet seems to love camper van videos. If any of this sounds like something that might interest you, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be bringing out videos over the next few weeks. The channel is basically going to feature anything that I think is fun or cool, which is quite radically different to what a lot of other people think is fun or cool. But yeah, if you like to make things, or if you like to watch introverts poorly explain how to make things, then this might be the channel for you. See you soon.